Hello guys, so in today's video we're gonna do a Dollar Tree centerpiece using everything from Dollar Tree except the mirror. So I'm gonna take this metal wreath and I'm gonna take this little garland, they have it in Dollar Tree as well. So I'm gonna take the end of the string like that and then I'm going to twist it around on the first ring of the wreath. So I'm just gonna go ahead and twist it around like that just to attach it into place. And then I'm gonna continue doing that all the way around it. And here, if you guys want, you can attach it with a little bit of hot glue, but I don't think you don't have to, you don't need to just twist it around a few times and it should be able to attach together into place. So then I'm gonna take another round and I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to go ahead and twist it again and do the same thing until I do two round. Then I'm going to take the third round as well and I'm going to do the same thing until I cover the whole thing around just like that. So after I do the third round, I'm going to just go ahead and do it in the front just to make it a little bit more fuller in the front part because that's the part that's going to show a little bit more than the middle part. So just make sure to do the around the front like that. So then once you attach it like that, it turns out just like this. So then I'm going to take the mirror and I'm just going to go ahead and place it inside like that. Then once you do that, I'm going to take these cute little branches. They have it in Dollar Tree as well. So I'm going to place it on that side like that. Just go ahead and put it inside like that. And if you want, like I said, you can also attach it with hot glue. And then I'm going to take the other one and place it in the other side. Just make sure that it doesn't come out through and that you put it in the inside. So then just go ahead and place another in the other side. And we're going to do another one in the other side as well. You can get five of them if you want it to be more fuller. Then I'm going to take these cute little flowers and I'm going to place it inside and I'm attaching it with hot glue like that. So I'm going to take like four of these flowers and place it all the way around so it can look just like this. Then I got this candle holder in Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and place it in the mirror. Then I took this flower. You could do it in gold or you could do it in red. It's up to you how you would like it. Then go ahead and put some hot glue and attach the glass on top like that. Then after you guys do that, I'm gonna take some little cute, this little bell, like they have in red and gold. So I'm gonna use a few of them red and gold all the way around it. And the way that you guys gonna place it is to put a little bit of hot glue and then attach it to the tree like that so they won't fall apart. And this is how could you guys. Oh my God, I love how this turns out. This is with nothing in it. And this is with a glass in it that you guys can place a candle inside. This is the small candle, or you could place a tall candle, which I think it look better than the small one, like this one right here. I'm giving you a different idea. You guys can just do it without the candle holder, and this one it will be more a simpler look. It's up to you which one you guys like. And this is the one with the gold flowers. You decide which one you like. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY video. Please do not forget to comment and share, letting me know what you guys think.